Okay, this is my gun case out of the box. Got some shelves there, front door, two end pieces, the back part, and a couple more panels. Just want to get a little more light in here so I can see and so you can see as we try to put this thing together. It looks to me like most of it is put together with those small self-tapping screws right there and that Phillips screwdriver that they provide. So let's see how that works out for us. Okay, so here's what I'm determining. I'm kind of a flat surface guy. This is a tray surface. So we're going to bend every one of these towards the flat surface side. And then it becomes a shelf with a lip. And she's in all the way around. All 5 tabs are bent and holding surface, and you got a lip so it acts as a tray. So there we go. All right, I got a couple more pieces to put in on the back here to hold the tops of the barrels. So let me take a look at that and see. Okay, folks, there's my gun safe, and they clearly say instructions to use 2 people to assemble it, but you see I assembled it by myself. Didn't really have any need for a second person per se. But I think I've got it assembled correctly. They did give a little chargeable nightlight thing to go in there, but I don't believe I need that in mine. And they included 4 bolts for mounting it to the back of the wall through the back there. That's obviously I haven't used that yet. And I hadn't worked on that lock yet. I think there's something else about that lock, but I don't see anything in the instructions. So anyway, there you go. If you're looking for an inexpensive gun safe, give this one a look. It might work out well for you. Meantime, y'all have a blessed day.